Now I'll show you what I've done to this old truck. All right, my truck bed and the rear thing here is in very good shape. What we have is, this is the wire for the right side, which comes over here and pulls on that little lock. Okay, this yellow one right here comes over here and goes on the left one. Now, I noticed I had some play in this here, so I put a couple of things in here so that I could tighten up the pull. First thing you need to do is you need to take off your, if you have a truck bed liner, you need to take that off. This was put on in '93 when I bought the truck, tailgate deal. And this is part of a deal where I bought the truck and they said, look, if you want to buy the bed liner and you want to buy insulation underneath the truck, we'll make you a deal. So I did, and it was a good deal. After you take that off, there's like about 6 bolts, and I suggest, no, I mean screws, and they have little O-rings on them. What I suggest you do is to get a little cup or something to put them in. These are for the outside of the plastic liner. After you do that, then you have this metal part that goes from here all the way over, excuse me, cat. He's a really nice cat. Ow! Cat, look. Which goes right here, and there's a screw hole here, here, I think, and here and here. Next thing I have to do is to pull these off, as you can see, okay? That pulled that off right there. And if I can get my finger in here and pull this one, or you can use a screwdriver right here and push it slightly forward somehow, yeah, and that takes that off. So after you do that, you pull your little lines out just like that, and this, if you take Phillips deal, take that off, and you take this one off, then the latch should drop out, maybe. There, it dropped out. And you can see the plastic on here. This is the plastic that moves the latch right there. But also, you see, on the other side here, this is there's a whole bunch of stress right in this corner right here, which is right here, or on the metal one, which is right here. Now I'm going to put the metal one in. The reason I bought the metal one was because it was, I didn't know how built it was, but it's a decorative chrome, and this didn't come with a lot of chrome because it was a standard pickup, and it's January and it's still it's muddy out and cold, but eventually I'm gonna go online and chrome out all the pieces that I can. I just love this little truck. I just don't have $40,000 for a new one. Okay, I'm going to put the chrome deal back in and we'll see what we can do.